Hello friend, welcome to my shop, welcome to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here we have 2014 Prius V, right? I will say desirable vehicle because it has that large trunk. I will almost say it's a wagon, right? And this customer came for thorough inspection. And this customer has only one complaint. When she's using her blower inside, right, for the AC or heater, there's a rattle coming out of it. And of course, to make it easier for me, I asked as many questions as possible before she left. And basically she said, oh, the cabin air filter, it's newer because the previous one was apparently dirty and even supposedly not installed correctly. That's the last place who put a new one there said. So that's all I know, and let's go and investigate what's happening with a rattle, right? Rattling sound from the blower motor. And of course that could be faulty blower, right? That bearing on it could give up and it could be malfunctioning. But I already look at these things. I removed the glove box. You can here see the new cabin air filter, and I couldn't duplicate a customer's complaint, right? If you see, here are the controls of this vehicle. So right now this square is around the blower motor speed, so if I turn this, it will increase the speed right down there. We cannot hear any rattling sound, right? Nothing is coming out of there. It was not making anything even with that cabin air filter and the glove box in the place. That's why I opened it. So, right, we could change the modes here. It's possible. So let's lower this a little bit again. This way, right? I go on the modes. Let's try that. If the moving vents will change, it shouldn't, but you know what, you never know. We want to listen to the customer, right? We don't hear anything. She said it's from the blower, like a rattle when it's turning around. So now I cannot duplicate the problem, right? I cannot. Does it mean that I will not trust the customer and I will say she's just loopy or something? No way. I need to investigate a little bit more, right? And I still believe she's right. Yeah, I know the design of the blower motor. It's like a cylinder, right? It looks like a pot, like a cooking pot, and it has all those louvers on outside which are moving the air. I will try to put the light down there and the mirror and show you design of it. But I know something is rubbing on it, right? Occasionally it's either old leaf which fell through that system or it's something else. So let's go look inside if I can with this camera, with the light, with mirror, see what's inside of that entire housing. And I'm not going to take apart this whole thing because it's not asked of me, right? She was just, oh, can you find out why it is making that sound? So I switched off everything, the whole car, it's off. So when I will be poking there, I don't damage something or get hurt, right? And now let's go and see together if I can set up this camera the way you can actually have a look inside. First of all, light, right? So we will be looking right here inside of that housing. You hopefully, let me see, can you catch a glimpse of those fins? I hope so. Let's see what I can do for you. It's always a problem with these angles. Oh yeah, do you see those fins? This is that little angle I can do for you. This is what could wrap on some foreign material. And as I said, most likely I will say there are some leaves in it, right? But let's see. I will take a mirror, right? That will help us to see inside. We have a light. Oh yeah. I wish I can bring it higher so you can... Oh, you see right now those fins? Do you see them? That's wonderful. And look what we got here. Do you see that? Peanuts. I see a peanuts. We can have a whole snack right there. Let me zoom on it. What we just discovered. Look what is there, nicely making noise occasionally, right? We cannot duplicate it today, but look, there is possibly was a rat or mice here. They love to grab these things, and if there was a nest, if that cabin air filter in past had a nest of mice on it, these people removed, the technicians removed just the dirty cabin air filter, slap on the new one, and they didn't bother continue with the cleaning. So now I need to go get my shop vacuum and try to get inside, right? The opening is pretty narrow, so it will be not easy. It will take a couple of minutes or maybe 10-15 minutes to get all of it out, but I will do that, right? I want to make sure my customers don't have these complaints or problems, right? And they can enjoy their vehicles. Moral of the story: if you can't duplicate somebody's complaint on the first try, I will say don't give up. Or it's your car, right? It's not obvious to you immediately, oh yeah, there's nothing here. Well, look at it. If you take your time and look in detail closely, we actually found the problem. It was hidden, it was not obvious, but it was there. I hope you enjoyed this video. You find it helpful, and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend. Pretty cold here. 1st October, kind of getting cold. The winter's coming.